I followed the link that came with the manual for my printer, but then when I entered this product name, it tells me that it cannot find the product. Enter the product name correctly, and I did. This is the right one. And if we scroll down a bit further, we'll see that this is TS64208. TS. And when we open this up, we do not see that here. So if you're having the same problem, then what you want to do is type in your product name into Google and then at the end add the word manual. Then in here, first link is the link that I need. If I open this up, and over here we'll find everything related to this product. And I needed the software and drivers. So if you are having something similar where on the official website you enter the product name and they cannot find it, then use Google, typing either menu or driver depending on what you're looking for, and hopefully that will get you the right link.